So I wanted to post an update video. I started on the timing job on my truck last weekend, and I knew I probably wouldn't get it done in 2 days. So basically, I ran into a couple snags. First of all, one of the snags I ran into was I had a difficulty getting the AC lines disconnected from the passenger side. Those made it difficult to remove the valve cover on the passenger side, and it took a long time to finally get them disconnected, and that chewed up a lot of time for the job. So it's just one thing after another, and I knew I wouldn't be able to get it done in over the weekend, so which is fine. It's understandable. It's a big job, a lot to do. Fast forward to this past week, I was working on the oil pump on the front, replacing it. And actually midweek I started on the oil pump, and I was trying to get I got the new one on. I was trying to get the bolt screwed into the pickup tube on the oil pump. And in the process of trying to get the bolt in, you're over top the oil pan working, and if you drop it, you can kind of grab it, since it's only like an inch or two down into the oil pan on the highest part of it, but the bolt ended up falling down into the lower part of the oil pan. So I didn't want to have to pull the oil pan, so actually took a couple of days. I ordered this magnet on a flexible, it's like a pickup tool, so it's kind of long and it's flexible to be able to, it's flexible but it's stiff. So what I did was I went into the oil pan from the, and I'll record a video probably later of illustrating kind of what I did, but I went into the oil pan through the drain plug, and kind of fished around and got onto the bolt, attached to the bolt, and was able to kind of guide the bolt back up to the front, so I could reach it from where I was working on the oil pump, which was a lifesaver doing it that way, because it's kind of a involved process dropping the oil pan on a 4x4 F-150. Yet there's a lot you have to remove, and the bolts can be pretty tight, stuck into the pan. So like I said, it was just one thing after another. This is Sunday night that I'm recording this video right here. So it's been a week. I got the driver's side chain on. I've got I'm ready to just start putting in new parts. I've got both of the cam phasers on. I took the cams off so I could put in the new lash adjusters. So I got the lash adjusters dropped down in, and I've got the cams on and they're tightened down, and the cam phasers are on, and I put on the sprocket and the chain on the driver's side and guides, and I'm just ready to do the passenger side. And once I do that and torque everything down, I'll start getting ready to put the motor back together. So it'll probably be another week. It took a little longer than I anticipated, but I'm almost done with the job, and it's been pretty exhausting. I've had a lot of other stuff that I've been working on other than just the truck, like some side job stuff. So it's been a lot to do in the time that I've done it. So just wanted to do a little update video. I know I hadn't posted anything or said anything in a while. It's been kind of a crazy week. So that's pretty much it. So yeah, I'll post another video here in the next couple days. I've been recording here and there as I've been doing the project. So I have footage of like what I've been working on. It's just I'll combine all that together in another video later once I finish up. So anyway, hope you guys have had a good weekend and enjoy this next week, and I will see you in the next video.